We go enter inside studio today basically for broadcasting, for journalism. So many of us see I'm like father for the industry, of course. But you know, say this our job. As you come here now, you get plenty things we go ask her about it. They go for the country for plenty. And go tell us how it start, how it reach where it is, and of course inspire plenty people where they there. Where need inspiration, just like we said, they draw inspiration from her. As we see them every day. I will tell you more you do the introduction. Tell us who exactly we yarn about.
All right, first and foremost, make I just say I'm a big fan and now one of my mentor and role model for inside the broadcast industry. Forget the fact that we speak PG. Now one of the people where I look up to. And yes, your own experience, or make I say in years of experience, when you even start, I was not even born. That one are official. Don't forget this obligatory thing where I fake myself for. Alright, we get the one and the only Mr. Jimmy Desu in the building. Of course, now graduate of University of Lagos. He does start this in journalism since 30, in short, I would say in the 70s. So you know how far.
They never born me that time.
God, you they sure?
When I call you here, I go let you know see they never born me. Because they born me towards the end of the 70s. And it don't start before that time. So
Yeah.
they never born me.
In the Daily Times, 1975.
Oh, officially. I don't see the long thing whether they won't born me that period. So
He be former assistant editor of Punch, and he be business editor of Vanguard newspaper. He be senior manager and head for corporate affairs for Liver Brothers. In short, he don't do so many things. He even be regular guest for channels and TVC, and of course our sister radio station, Classic FM and Lagos Talk. So we can say no partiality. He must come Niger FM too, as a true son of the sun.
I always listen to his show for Classic
Every
FM
blessed
Sunday.
day.
On Sunday, the discourse.
As a matter of fact, before you go just talk to my husband, because he go kill me if you don't get special talk.
Yeah, husband. Which business? I know the girl.
He go kill me if you don't get special.
I don't think concern me with man.
He's not big fan.
We don't. He as in the house they listen. No, say his wife they here. He know whether they looking. I mean, they tell her, say I don't get eye. I got it for front, I get for back.
He say, oh, Uncle G.D. says, he always make me starve on Monday. Say, you know, they come on Monday.
I know they come on Monday.
Say, they do your shakara, no,
I don't say, no, I know they come on Monday. Monday, na rest.
Now, big fan in himself. All right.
Na rest, I the rest on Monday.
Alright, so people now, in short, if I start, I not go finish the whole history.
The one way you don't summarize stuff, you don't.
I not go finish the whole history at all.
But of course, no be name where you go call it, nobody know who it be. We get inside the studio, Jimmy Disu inside Niger FM studio this afternoon for Ask the Professional. Welcome, sir.
You do, hey. You know, say, Godwin, my nickname for him na Chin Chin.
And but I tell of Naim be one of the the very first person who patronized my wife Chin Chin.
Yes.
For this office, cause spread the news. Now, self, and in the past how many days, the request, Oguje, I never feared me.
In short, you need to hype our own show to workshop. Tell them maybe they listen to.
Make una dey listen to Niger FM when una don't listen to me for Lagos Talk finish. Make you first listen to the one way I do for Classic. When you finish, you go to Lagos Talk.
Exactly.
When I don't come out,
you go.
go.
So when I listen to them 7 to 7:30 front page news for Classic FM.
Tuesdays to Fridays.
And then from 9 to 10:30 for
Lagos Talk. After that, then we gonna come Lagos.
The weekend you go listen to the
you know the good
discourse.
thing of since we resume by 11, most times when we drive to work,
Yes.
they listen to you.
To you.
I fit tell you word for word every time we talk this morning.
Wait and talk.
For Lagos Talk.
You think I know?
I fit tell every time we talk. Okay. So you get plenty years of experience. You know, first of all, tell us about your childhood, your school where you attend.
But for Godwin, before you ask this question, for those we know, just know.
Yes.
Maybe just give them for just we just know. Maybe just tell us officially by yourself.
Yes.
Your profession and the area
profession,
where they go fit. No, the area where they go fit ask you questions.
Don't know every day so now journalism.
And
Journalism,
PR
exactly.
Make I tell you, I in all my life as I did, my life never end. I see that.
Amen.
I just start. I don't work for newspaper. I don't head PR department, corporate affairs department for multinational. That was in 1987. I head that multinational 97. I remember that time everybody did talk, who be this for already. Somebody opened my door because na direct office, I then puts me. No even put myself there. Now my oga what at that time Giwa say he said put him in Giwa that's what he was say put him in. Put him well I don't not good that he said put him in the director's office. So I don't do that one. When I come out that one, I can't do consultancy. I do for Coca-Cola, Wamco, this I do plenty consultancy for media affairs. In between that time now, one day I just sit up on my house there, I just look now Yori for that they come and say, Jimmy come make we talk, make we yarn for channels. So now I go channels now, to come do them once or twice. You know, they call me, one time my phone go ring, I go and they call me. Then after Yori come out for this in come go TV, he come say, look, Ekun, because now Ekun they come say, Ekun come, make we capture your Saturday morning. Every Saturday, make we do this yarn for TVC. Now I go TVC, now I they worry Yori, you know, because me, I dey independent. And when I enter, something they always did do me, once I enter this environment, like this, it be like say I enter Holy Grail. People don't know say this job na calling. It not be that kind of job where we say I want to do it because I want to be popular, or I want to do it because I want get money.
I want big salary.
I want big salary. No, this not calling. If they not call you for this job, because money no dey there. Have you alive?
Yes, not true.
Even fame self no dey there. Now just because na they hear us, but even fame self can be a pain. You not go fit waka. You know, anywhere where you did now, you not go fit you peace catch you for road.
You do
buy bolly for
if you want to fall, if it's spoil for bridge. I look at tell you one year now, one day now. I go chop for a hotel, free food. You know that free food they be. I knock to be a topper. Inside go slow the hustle 2 o'clock. Please catch me for bridge. If you wait as I go do that, over why did he hook me? I come down 2 o'clock. I
begin download.
As they hit the surface of the bridge, that's no smoke they come out. So this work, you don't fit do them unless because you know once you put on the mic, you know, once I put on the mic like this, it goes the pour me.
You know one question I go ask you, say journalism they all about seriousness or if we joke around, but seriousness, you not journalism with this and you didn't joke around.
No, this one where they joke about is something that I developed when I started Front Page News. That time with that when Jonathan the president and all of us the one that said now so this country will they go, you know. But when they come every morning, they shout for that they talk. And they tell me say I beg brother making a cool down now. Say you dey spoil our day. Can't you tell us this thing in a better way where we say you go make the point and at least our mind go day one can because when I dey come that time. Now so oh God bless life wherever I dey. Now so it's like when they tell me say cool down. Oga Jimmy just cool down. Sometimes because when I dey talk like this, I go stand up. I go roll back, roll forward. Now so Bukky go dey look, you know say na woman. That's why I go dey tell me say Okuje cool down. So now I can't talk say look, I can't look and I can't talk say well. I think it's better. Maybe say make I give them this bad news, but make I break them gently. You know say good news no be news. Buhari woke up in the morning at 6 o'clock. He brushed his teeth. He say his prayers. He show bread, egg, and sausage. He go work. They open door for him. He sit down. He sign 5 degrees. He come back. Who go listen to that one? Now the day when news bad, now people they like. So that's why we say in journalism, good news is no news.
Okay.
So I purposely just develop make I just put small humor so that everybody mind go.
Yeah, to fit swallow
make it enter the inner chamber of the body.
Like you talk the truth of the matter, every day when we wake up, if you check headline for newspaper,
your heart go break.
Because the engine so with the system.
Your heart broke. See the news I see this morning now. The news I see this morning now when I read them. My heart not break because my heart don't cool before I for don't vex. Didn't know me lie lunch book.
Okay, lunch book can't invite
book
plenty
on corruption.
people.
We invite book on corruption. He invites Saraki, he invite
Former first lady.
I said that's a good gathering. I said, I take good country.
The judge for over 10 years for Diamond Award for Media Excellence when they shot in a mass Dame
Wait, they don't call me Justice this so that now for award though.
Now you the judge the media
judge, yes.
I
don't do that now for about 15 or 17 years.
Oh wow.
So inside the media, make who they look, who they do right. But the job became frustrating when it can't be like say, because we don't just want to say who first. We want to say who do and well.
Yes.
So rather than who first, you understand? So we get plenty when we say, okay, then I them first for the one way we get. But when we go look at ourselves, sometimes, you know, the tourists, you know, say this is our job, it don't they go down.
If I want to ask you a question, because in that aspect now,
yes.
how you go take, if I tell you assess Nigeria now, the industry, journalism, broadcasting, people when they pass out information to the general public, which level you go say Nigerian journalists stay now in terms of professionalism and how they do their work?
Make I talk to you.
Talk true.
Make I talk to you.
Yes,
people don't form my hand. They don't form my hand. The media, they don't follow all these people derail this country. Because the media now is supposed to be
the mouthpiece of
the mouthpiece and the megad of this. But now them they celebrate. Now you know, every day you go see people go they say this one a big man for my guy for newspaper. But now you go they celebrate the people who shop money for inside the own this thing. And those ones everybody they follow. Somebody go get magazine, the person who don't shop all that money finish, he go put in parlor, in city room, say as the parlor fine, he bring the chair from Italy, he bring the carpet from Indonesia, he do this. You know, my people, money don't spoil everything.
So what do you think, sorry, what do you think about the aspect, I don't think and say, where one newspaper, for instance, organize end of year awards, on they honor different governors and all those people. And some of those governors, as well, those people they honor. And people will say for their states, they complain, say, this one never pay salary, this one not they do well. But you go find and say, one media organization, they honor this same people.
Say man of the year.
Exactly, for excellence and all those. What do you think about that?
You know, say, son don't come out for this now, inside her son, every day, even though inside cool. No wipe, no begin wine my body, make her crazy. Because the thing they sometimes I don't know whether make her laugh or make her cry. Because the thing they pain me. These people go shop your money, you go see them. They're not go work, they're not go do anything. But because you want make money, that is why I said they form my hand. Because you want make money now, you go say this governor, not the governor of the year, governor of each year. What do you do? You see the people now fool. But the moment they pay me back, we say the people is how to make them go the place where they do the thing, go carry placards, say we not agree. They say go sit down for house, they look television, they go try to go buy this beer from Amaris, we can take drink them. Then go they happy. How you go they happy when you see people who don't shop all your money finish? You go they see them, they go they go they flaunt the money. They say this one na governor of the year, governor of which year, what do you do? He go call this inter 4 roads, inter EB 4 houses. That one not to be governor of the year. Most of these award ceremonies where they do. It should be all of us who know say na buy then they buy. And because you don't know.
No, we know.
You know, na buy then they buy. The part where they pay me pass for everything we say. These people go take people money, go buy award where you yourself move for inside. Say you go. Not be me and I go one award one day, we see award. One governor, he carry no be say the blue line, he go carry close to 100 people that they follow body from where he come from. He put them for a hotel, put them for big man hotel. Now so they go there 4 or 5 days, they chop state money. On that, now so they follow them up and down like this. All the chop transportation, then they go give them spend money. Then they go give them the one where they always chop from the cookie jar. They go give them small cookies. Go. And you all, both you where they give the award though, you where they get the award though, you the people waiting for hall where they look the award though, all of us know say now money with the look. So what is the benefit? But you know say to be fair to Fashola, he not go collect any award though, and the man work. He not go collect any award. Quote me, we have show me a photograph where he collect. Say then do man of the year or something. If the warrior have something hook up for neck, he go send somebody go collect on the year. That's not person we know what they do.
Okay, I go just put them like 2 questions in one. As a journalist, we know say yes, we journalists, but some people say we they get tricked. I know say one time say they don't almost come carry God rain too.
Yeah, 2 times. DSS don't send me.
They don't come to one or say, you know, maybe we be very careful how we take criticize them and all that. But you be like no hold back. You speak your mind as you take Siam. But you don't be intimidated at all. They don't give you threats. Because I know I get one uncle one time with the commissioner of just Attorney General. He been get threats messages. So you don't ever get threats to say, stop condemning us on top of your show. Stop talking like, okay, if you know fit start to do that one, or you can't take bribe. So there are 2 questions. One, they don't threaten you, and secondly, they don't also offer you bribe.
I know that one of bribe, that one. Everybody don't know say if you offer this man na Christmas, if you offer a bribe, you go talk am for radio. So they're not they offer me bribe. Thank God for that. Everybody don't know where I did now. Because make I talk about that bribe for you before we go to the next one. If they offer you bribe, the Yoruba people talk say Tenuba Jojuati. Nobody fit put hand for pocket, give you money where you go come back, they ask them anything where you won't ask. You not go fit, your mouth go hook, you go jam. You know, the ending of your mouth go knock. Okay? So that one and from that day on, the day somebody don't give you bribe like this, so 25, 30 years after you know if you talk anything with the man get leg inside.
You realize they don't sell your soul.
Now those kind of things then come back, come give threats.
Okay.
You cannot eat your cake and have it. You cannot, you know, if they collect bribe, they collect favors, they collect this thing. Come go around, come go talk. They're going to say what's happening now. Okay, tell us what you want. We have given you before, I be no rich. Secondly, I know they fear threats. Because person will threaten you, you're never ready to do anything. You understand me? Person will threaten you. The one where they fear now, advice will come from people very close to you. In this job. If you don't know, make you know now. Not fear threat. The person will before you, they say, I go kill you, I go do this, I go do this. Now lie. Now the ones where be say somebody where you don't know, you don't take close to you, oh, maybe your whole classmate will go just come talk, say, that's your program, it is sweet too, they always enjoy them. But Shishi, you know, say the other day when you talk about so and so, you they suffer you know as these people be. And you are the person not there for yarning side, not be saying that they yarn before. Now those advice now they fear me pass. Those ones are the messages, those are the ones that are telling you. You understand? But if they want yawa you, my brother, nothing way if it do. They're not going even when they threaten you, they don't see whether you go shake. My mom be say they not say if you threaten me, nah, I go shout. If you so they don't leave me. But make person waiting say want to do the thing where they do. Like I talk, you cannot eat your cake and have it. I know they collect bribe. I know they collect brown envelope. I know they collect brown envelope. I know they go beg anybody for anything where I know they're entitled to. You understand me? I know they do contracts. And because you know fit like I talk, you know fit you can't eat your cake and have it. That's why I say this job is a calling. I look at people and I laugh. If to say I want live normal life, you know the money where for don't get for this town, I would for don't be multi-billionaire. The people where I know. The people where I go to school, make you know say for my own time, people not plenty for town. All my friends now, almost most of my friends are big people.
I know one of your friends will be governor, former governor.
How many I go count?
One of his schoolmates will be governor.
Yeah, I got one of my schoolmates where we just say, well, now me they make up one and by way they chop for university. Now he do governor now.
So you know the fear for your life and safety because I know say later born back then.
But okay, if I fear, so what do you can't do now if I fear?
You know say they try discourage people like the great fella now. So many times.
I tell you say this job na calling. It be like adagio job. If you be adagio now, if you be judge, now you sit down. You say you want to become judge. They can't put criminal for your front, say make you sentence and they will come. They say if I sentence this criminal. If you go jail, if you go yawa me, make I let him go. No. The job has to be done. Yeah. It's a sacrifice. But and nobody can take your life unless God.
Yeah. But sure you agree say journalism not dangerous job.
No, be say you know talking well. Now very, very, very dangerous job. And in this job, the people where they fear not be the people where the matter concern. Not be say if I talk now say governor do this, governor do that, say I fear that one. No. Those ones not going to do anything. That the people will surround them. The people will be say that as the job. Some people they this time will be say they're not going to work. But as they work for money like this, now for governor next, then they till them close. Now those ones are the fear.
Now those ones are
If that were your hair, then go tell all kinds. Waiting, they not go talk so, and then they're not go believe they go say na lie. Now the other person I give you money. Make I give you one this one time when matter come hot small for Lagos. The people with the government for Lagos, some of them people there, then people, then lower level people, they talk say PDP don't give me money. Now I laugh. The day when they talk about laugh, so they at the studio that day, you know, say this actually I know they like me. I laugh for 4 black. Then carry me up, I sit down, Nakachi carry me that day. I say, see these people. I don't collect money from person where key to central bank they in hand. Now person will lose election, now I go collect money from. I just laugh. You know, it will always happen. But like I said, this is our job now calling. You could just take your mind come on.
Make I ask you, before we go break now, I want to ask you about people will be aspiring journalists and broadcasters and all that, and what will be the key things so they will need to know if they want really take a mental, like you talked, number 1, they are calling, and number 2, what they need to go. But before that one, I want to ask, say that because of this issue of threat or bribery, or say that just overall corruption, I make our media and the way it be now, both print and electronic, everything now. Now make it like you talk one thing in the beginning, say they don't fall your hand. What do you make you say that falling of hand come big like that for this country media? Shouldn't that because of the bribe one?
No, you see the major problem we say the problem we do Nigerian media and the problem we they do the rest of Nigeria. And I'm sorry to say this. China has asked me the other day, Naya talk say, in fighting corruption, what we have been doing is exposing corruption. But in fighting corruption, the first thing you must do be say, anybody where they do any work, make the money where you pay them. Make it carry and reach house. I don't work for this town before where we say my salary do me so I get savings account. But how many people can have savings account? People are not well paid. That's the honest to go to. And person will get normal responsibility where no walk away from. He get wife, he get 2 pikin. If you be like some people, they go get dog again where they feed.
And cats.
Cats.
And cats.
Okay.
But because I get dog and cat.
Because you get dog and cat. You get cats too. I don't know that.
You get cat though.
I don't like cat. So if person gets responsibility where no fits me, beg, borrow or steal, he go look for the money. I'm not making excuses, but it's a fact of life. If you get salary where we say you know fit shop past 10 days, the other 20 days will remain. What you go do? You go die for where you did. So the major problem with this issue of corruption, we say most people are not well placed. I know one newspaper here that it reached 1 year before one of my friends who work there come go meet the publisher. Say, publisher, I know say you don't reach 1 year now. Where you not pay. Even some radio stations, you know say they're not they pay.
Yes.
So invariably, once you know pay person well and so on and so forth, it must, when envelope come, as they talk, you see the man, they open the thing, they look the thing, he look in pocket, you see say nothing there. It's just the 10th of the month. Mama Rasaki, where he buy gari from it, they go, they wait for that. Mama Trudy plus beer parlor away because journalists must drink. So invariably, in body go weak. In our own time, because when they train us, in our own time, when I work for Punch, for example, I just come out university. That's the only time zone where I work now before I go university. Now I do them. But when I work for Punch at the age of 22, 23 or thereabout, they give me motto, they give me flats. Young boy, I was assistant editor at 23. They give me motto, they give me flats. I don't get wife, I don't get anything. So you can't do me that, I can't get dog. My dog, they eat 3 tins of geisha every day. And they mix them with rice and palm oil. You know, I spend the money. When I go Leventi, so they carry 3 bags of groceries come out. It could be less than 50 naira. Now Punch they pay for my fuel. They give me money for entertainment. The club where they go, you know, so it does. So what do you want to give me now?
That's about the same things where some of my lecturers, one of my lecturers, they tell us is for university in those days. Say you can tell us, say see all those water trough waiting for the cafeteria. In those days, you go get coffee, you get tea,
Wait, tell me.
Free of charge.
Make I not tell you as I go school. In an ideal situation, if you want an ideal this thing, journalists when they come back in those days when we come back sometimes funds they don't provide drink for us. So the publisher go come, they go put one brandy put for table. A cigarette go day in those days because everybody they smoke, they drink in those days. No be now way all of us won't get to, no one dies. So the major problem of journalists is the same problem that most people have. They always need an extra income for them to make the ends meet. Right. Now, I am not making excuses, but we are just being realistic that that is the you know, that one might be the major problem.
So man, we get plenty of responsibilities, get mouths to feed. It could be difficult to turn it.
It be difficult to turn it high because na 10th of the month, the salary where they pay them on the you know say some media houses no they even pay, some no even 2-3 months they no go pay. You know, look what did happen now. You talk say make civil servants not take bread. Look what did happen for Osun. You dey na the old civil servant, na the old pensioner.
For 2 years, they never pay pension.
They never pay pension for 2 years. If you see this money for newspaper review, that's what they put there. Governor won't become 60. This is the way some of us don't become. The governor won't become 60. I mean, how many days I said the celebration? It is like 11 or 13 days.
Imagine.
So celebrate because governor. Because
then they go say they don't get money to pay for salary.
His Excellency wants to go 60. Now, on Monday they go waka. On Tuesday they go symposium. On Kiriko they go mosque. 11 or 13 days. No way when state money no go drop for the thing for the thing will go happen. Upon all that one. You not pay. How you go come tell the civil servant when they say make you not take money?
Well, now they hear the voice of Jimmy this, so we never even begin talk. What we talk is on the other side before 2 o'clock. But when we come back, we'll give an opportunity to ask a question. But of course, we go say take some of the issues that happen for the country, jamming body. So many things that go on for this country, and some of the major ones we just ask and give us your opinion, tell us what do you think about them, and also. Before you come up for studio, but of course, time knowledge for Tinkling News. Now 1:30 this professor don't enter studio. Professor of Proverbs to come tell us what be the short to read that we don't break for Nigeria and outside the country. Don't forget that Moyo and Godwin there for workshop inside Nigeria FM 102.7. After this break, we'll continue with Jimmy Disu for ask the professional professor. And
of course, they will get opportunity to call in, ask the person, or leave on top Facebook and Twitter. And we'll fit ask our professional any question of your choice.
All right.
But the real prof is
0700 1001 to name our numbers in case you won't call 0700 1001 to know we take on that flute, but not your own video. Correct jam now be that 10 by Young Jeff for that track. You feature Zoro inside a particular track. And of course, you know that is the headquarters of the hottest Nigerian music and artist, Niger FM 102.7. From here, that's correct. But 1:44 9 the time today on Tuesday. And May 16, 2017, we're there inside the studio, Godwin and Moyo for workshop, and we get Ogunge guests inside the studio. We get our big uncle, our mentor, person who we've done a look up to for a very long time. Of course, Jimmy Disu inside the studio. You don't talk plenty for the first half. Before Moyo begin, continue to jam with questions for anybody. If you want to call, our number is 0700 100102. Ask any question we get. Of course, I beg again. We want to take the corner, so no be anyhow talk. We just ask a direct question and all that. Please, no bad language, no foul language. 0700 100102. Let our numbers call. Ask any question.
All right. You know, see me, I always get question. I just want to know, as an icon for inside the broadcast industry, what will be your dream for this profession? What will be your dream for Nigeria?
I'm not dreaming like that way.
As a journalist.
That's the way they dream, they sleep. But make I not lie. The Nigeria way I for like to see, I know it will happen for my lifetime. Yes, I was telling this my guy here, women and they work for Lagos Stocks, say I don't think say in my lifetime say I go see the Nigeria. I go see the Nigeria where I see before. And I go see the Nigeria way I be say it go be. Make I tell you, when I grow up, I don't know say na so this country go be. I don't know say na so this country go be. Maybe if to say I know say na so this country go be, I for don't structure my life in another manner. But now as God want to be that. You know say na for Bunga London, I them born me. I go school small there before I come back. 1983, I get job offers, about 3 job offers. One of them now for Times of London. I for done the BBC and all this. But even say when I go university, I get admission for Wisconsin University. Then in fact, because I get A level that time, This one now for 1974 because I get A level. They say okay, said make I use 4 years, make I use 3. Say the A level where I don't do, you know, that was in Nigeria with the respect back in the day. I left all that one and decided to stay to school here because there was no difference really. In fact, those who they go abroad that time, they laugh them. They're not no book. All these are people who go to America that time, maybe my age group. When you hear them, gonna, you go to hear they don't know anything.
Because most of my
Everything because I hear I'm telling you.
Most of my lecturers tell me say
they don't know anything.
Nah, the Oyibos wey train them that time.
Yes.
So that time Oyibos they just to even come here.
Oyibos they just if you see when you be lecturer in those days, they don't give you a house for inside the campus, nice garden, everything. You don't get car loan, buy your car. People will get TC for head. You see, say to say now today, people like Awujobi go be professor for Unilag, a brilliant man like that. If to say now today, go don't wrong go. So the people will train us. We don't know say now so Nigeria will be. But God don't talk and they prepare people like us say now lie. Now people like you go make your own contribution. Make sure say this country will go spoil. You know, say God they see ahead of everybody.
Like the Moses we go lead us to the promised land.
God don't see say all these military people because now military people now they spoil these things and I feel explain that.
Now exactly what I want. I go ask you follow-up questions.
Yes.
At which point we miss the point?
Now military. We go talk and now we not go to make una go listen to fella song MOP1 where he says if you be African man from better family. Wait till we go talk. Now military. And as they hand over, now their friends, now their kind of people, now in the hand over to. That was the beginning. Way back at that time, when we did school, who they go join soldier? Make we talk through. I'm not talking about now. In those days when we did school, who be the people waiting them know? Don't be for military. They produce this governor. We talk say who be this gather.
Paddy.
They're not
No, we just hold on that thought. We get phone.
Hello, good afternoon, Nigeria FM. Yeah, what be your name? Where they come from? They come from where?
I'm calling from Lagos.
Yeah, what be your name?
My name is Chris.
Okay, Chris, what be your question?
Okay, I listened to your program since, right?
Yes.
And I was more interested where your guest was talking about salary not being enough for people, right?
Yeah, salary of journalists not being enough and all those things. Yeah.
Yes, I think the problem is not the salary not being enough. The problem is that Nigerians are too greedy today. People, somebody that works in a civil servant want to drive Bentley car, want to drive Rolls Royce, want to live in a mansion. So I can remember by his reference, back in the days, it wasn't like that. A civil servant is contented with his or her salary.
Which kind of car civil servant they drive in those days? Which kind of car civil servant they drive in those days?
504.
Okay. That 504 and Peugeot of that time. If you want equate them with quality car of today, which car did that same level now?
Camry.
And yes, you look at something like modern cars.
Like Camry or Honda.
Like Honda or Toyota.
Okay, how many journalists you know if you afford Camry and Honda for Nigeria now?
I'm just giving you an example why the problem. I want to live like a drug baron.
No, make I answer that. Okay, you see, you need to understand the context in which make we take journalism out. Pensioner in those days, civil servants in those days, where you talk say this thing, when they pension, they get their pension. Some of the pensioners where they see wearing the beat for Alausa when they say go make you go do I am alive, show up yourself. You know see as they be. Some of those people, the truth of the matter be say they don't make life comfortable. For people, people cannot. How many? I can assure you, and I can challenge any PAMSEC. Make you come rose from a permanent secretary on the current salary he's paid. He not fit get house for Lagos.
Okay.
Unless he dabaru something, he not fit get house for Lagos.
That on a permanent secretary.
That on a permanent secretary, he not fit.
Lower levels.
Not to talk about lower levels. I'm not talking say. Of course, they are greedy people. This is why people they greedy be say they know they're certain of their future. Everybody wait there for civil service now go to talk say, hey, if I leave civil service, so wait till I go shop, wait till my pikin, my hospital bill, this, that.
Yeah.
In other countries, when you reach a certain age, your future you can almost determine it. When you reach 60, you not go pay for bus, you not go pay for this thing. When you reach 60, you not go pay for hospital. When you reach 60, so you know say when you reach 60, 65, you know say you don't become government picking be that. But here, wait to happen.
Old people they queue for pension when they need they sick, they collapse.
Which queue? The day when they said come and alive, they could carry the one will make me weep one day. They carry one man for inside wheelbarrow. Eh?
The words of this nation. I think that's where our problem is now. How do we make sure that these politicians pay for all they are doing to this country?
My brother, we must face them. But we could not leave the job to people when they talk for radio alone.
Yes.
Because you see, when we face them, some of them they laugh us. Some of them will be my friends. They could have say, Jimmy, you just a talk for talk for radio. They burn saliva. The people who because of them, we know what they do for them. We know as they hail us. Some of these people, can you imagine? They say, okay, they tell somebody for cause say he shop money, he put his fingers inside cookie jar. Same Nigerians, where because of them, they talk every day, then they go say that they demonstrate, they carry placard for court.
Carry the person, they say when they feed the person, say they
say, I remember to make them leave out, then they harass them, then they do this, then they do that.
The man are from my village, not from my area.
Exactly.
So
if not be they're not for that. Change the one where they pay me pass. Make I tell you this one. This one very quickly. State go day. Governor go shop money. Then when they shop money, no money for schools, no money for hospital, no money for everything. Then a wife go set up NGO. When the wife go set up NGO finish, they go collect 10% from contractors and go put the money together. Now they go come to talk say, oh, this boy wey sick, he will get cancer. Make he give him 1 something million. Make he carry and go India. Now they go they set up NGO. They buy Ero Ilota and the thing where they take this pan where they take the pop. They buy a machine and clipper for Baba, so on and so forth. When they say if to say in husband no chop money in the first instance,
you build better hospital.
You will earn exactly.
You will get better hair. You don't need to go.
You not gonna need.
You not need to do.
Yes. But that people know they see this and they go say, oh, this governor wife na better person, no. If no be one pikin like that will get hole in the heart when they carry go India. Now he provide the money, your money where they don't chop. I beg. These people they know they chop the money small. Now they pay me pass again.
Then they pack and well.
How you go find $43 million of government money?
Exactly. In fact,
they say they want to take and work. That's not the place you go take and work.
In fact, we'll not segue enter that one now. But now, you know, even like when you invite person, may can't eat, and the person come first collect the meat. You know, I got one friend in those days. If you can't make come follow you eat, maybe not like one piece of meat, one big meat. Maybe my mama give me rice and stew and say, and my neighbor because I can't eat that Tom. You go first carry
the meat.
Go for mouth first. So by that way I go call the vex. You go call the I think they tell sorry now no vex now they eat rice join the meat.
No,
you know,
no, make I collect you small. You don't say usually now where the meat they now the soup they
now the soup they day.
So when they carry the meat, you know say the soup and small of the rice follow and join. So you go can't get the rice now. No soup.
No and then you know if you cry go with my mama because she go say who send you to go call another person. He said okay so what I want to ask now this issue of corruption. Some people for this country feel say the corruption fight actually they one-sided. Say and then some people feel say well now only those will know the current party. Before that one, more will see who they the line. Nigeria FM, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, what will be your name? Where they come from?
My name is Tunde from Ikeja.
Tunde, okay, what will be your question?
I want to ask first because when my daddy they tell me say this country no sure say go better again. I think in alive. And I'm calling out from now. My daddy said that time when he was brought up in Lagos Island, then he bought his first car at the age of 17 after he left secondary school. He said that time last from now. Say that time even though in the smoke, say he gets like straight up we be saying the smoke for between them said that time. So we be chief judge. But then I say if you still what you say because of the smoke together, I will arrest you. I will really say everybody don't feel like nothing like feeling nothing like everything like I say now punishment they try with that time because the money the non-pounds is because of 1 naira then. So it was huge. So if you go to school that time say you want to go to America they will call you punishment because you don't know who to that. Okay. You know here everybody will know. So I want to ask Professor to say what will be the way forward for Nigeria and how for you?
Okay, thank you very much, eh?
I not be professor. Shit, now you go talk to a professor.
He don't give you professor. Not be talk so Naim by himself give you professor.
Naim by himself, I don't be professor. That's one way they talk. When they talk like this, my heart just shake. My mind just run, do race, go back to when we did school. When we did school, your parents not go pay anything because this is how it worked out. School fees na 9 naira 10 kobo. Accommodation na 19 naira. Feeding na 15 naira a month. Make it so. So what happened? We say the West in those days, Western states, they will give you bursary of 500 naira. But when you get admission, university will not say your bursary they come. University will give you the accommodation. They go take you for the school fees. Then they go give you meal ticket for 3 months. So then your bursary will come inside. From there, you will fit go get students loan for 1,000 naira in those days. A lot of money, man. I tell you. The only thing we be say, the major thing we go move this country forward is that the youth must take the future in their hands. If we leave on to all these old people, if we leave on to my generation, I'm not going to go anywhere.
How do youth go take the country, take it into their hands?
The people we come out Oyibo hand for this country. How old were they when they were doing? Awolowo was about 31. Zeke, all of them, they were in their 30s. They did not wait for the old people to come and do it. Gawan wey rule this country, he was 30. The speech was the governor 28.
Even General Murtala was 38 when he died.
And then the thing where they pay me be say that they use the majority, but they will never come together. Now so them go they abuse themselves for Facebook. They talk all kinds of nonsense. Husband beat wife. He get one medium like that where they for Instagram like that. Every day where they see the news, snake turn into man, man turn into snake. Instead, make all the youth, make them gather, form themselves into a formidable group, and challenge these politicians and hold them to a standstill.
But what about
last week before when APC when they get ready, where we say they say Pekin die. For inside when they cause go slow. What have the youth done? Should they not have gone to the headquarters? Make them go yari for them. Make them not fight too, but make them just go through the anger and say, how you not go do? But the youth of today, now to see big people, they take selfie. They wait for money I want to be personal assistant. I want to be. The youth today have lost a lot of their pride.
But what about the argument say these same people where we suppose come up now, this old generation, don't divide the youth along party lines,
because the youth have allowed themselves to be divided. When we did small, when we did the age of most of these youths, we knew who we looked up to. I can tell you when I all through my youthful age, my mentors were Fela was one because forget they say they wear pants, they smoke it, but the man gets sense. Ganifa when I mean we they follow. We they follow Professor Wole Soyinka. We see money for ground, we don't follow now. It just says how many use they MPN, they UPN, we leave them to them, say, but we come they begin to form our own. I know the number of demonstrations where I don't get involved. Where don't be say I they look for one kobo. Where we say I feel even talk say it not concern me. You know, the day when Muritala died, for you to know the strength of the youth, the day Muritala was killed, before they resolved that coup, the youth of those days back in the university we had hit the streets, rejecting it, and it was part of our own impact that when the coup, because the coup partly failed because of the reaction of the youth at that time. As soon as they said that they kill and that is because Muritala death pay me. Make I tell you, if to say people like Muritala, he ruled this country for 4 years, or they allowed Buhari at that time. Buhari when they come that time, I'm not talking about Buhari now. Buhari when they come, if to say they allow rule for 4 or 5 years, this country for day different. Because of what my brother at that time. Bail no deal. If they hook you that time, say I see your hand, this is a cookie jar. Bail no deal.
Nigeria FM, good afternoon.
My name is Alade, calling from Sweden.
Alade, what be your question?
No more question, no. But girls don't talk everything. But the best thing is that it's not about violence, but it's about being calling we youth together. Then we need to fight for ourselves. That is just it.
Okay, all right. Thanks for your call,
Thank you, sir.
No, to react to him. You see, it's not so much about calling. Luckily, the youth have what we never had in our own time. they have a forum by which they can gather themselves without being physically there.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? In our own time like this, we must have a venue. We go there. We handle. Now you have internet. You can use it to form pressure groups. Stay off all this Facebook when I go they talk. This one sleep with this one, that one become millionaire. Make una begin the first stage amongst these other people. If not, now peanuts you go shop to you that I make I tell you the thing where they happen. Where even the youth in the parties is supposed to the yari. Look at one party here for Lagos. The youth one time na 62-year-old man. Yes, PDP for Lagos and the youth leader na 62. How you go to inside that kind of party they not go yari?
52.
The 62.
62.
Now be youth leader. They see they go meeting. They see they go. How I go there as a youth in my day? In my days, in my 20s, I go. We say we get youth wing. 62 years, the man no go sit down for chair.
Man go just wear face cap and jeans.
He don't go sit down. But what did they do? The youths were struggling to become the man's personal assistant. They were struggling to become this one, struggling to become that one. So the youths need to talk to themselves, even those within the party. If you must join, I'm not talking to make you join any party. If you want to join the ruling party, join the ruling party. But make you go inside there, go fight for your right. Because the thing where they happen now, where they vex me, we say, these people, that they do them now, people never see. It never did happen, but it happen. All the place where then they allocate for use, like that Pekin then go put there. Pekin where we say, for example, Pekin where we say all in life, if they live for Ikoyi, from Ikoyi down then go carry and go Birmingham University, go study. When they go come back, when they want the election, now you go do House of Rep for Shomolu because that's not the man's origins. The people say not go know him. And then go vote for him. When you ask them, they go say, oh, the man has worked hard for the party. He needs to be rewarded. Now then Pekin they go come put. When Pekin wait from Ikoyi straight from Birmingham to Ikoyi straight to airport, he reach Abuja, he not go come back.
We don't know anything
about
the Shomolu.
Do you know?
God,
go ask people, do a survey, ask people how many of them know their representatives. You not go even know the person itself. Nobody say that person where you go know.
I remember
So
the
they
last
need-
time for Ikpaja, Alimosho local the Abesson Estate side where the state, the local government chairman that time, he dey live for VGC.
Can you imagine?
So when now until I continue to shout for radio say this local government VGC, he dey live for there before the man come dey come once in a while, come dey visit, because they come dey do road small. But he park go dey stay VGC, he go dey drive.
Local government chairman, something they occur to me very quickly, make a talk am. Now is the time for you, I still talk am this morning, now is the time for you to gang up in your areas. Get the person, if you know fit, the person no get power, make you all of them go join one party. Make una sure say this statue or this Godi, where all of them know, now it go be the local government councillor for that area. Make una form group. They are more used than elderly people. Now what are we talking about?
So by the time all of them come out, come vote, do everything.
Mr. Jimmy, this
Yes.
morning I go beg to defy people.
Yes.
Because he gets some godfathers. I'm not going to just mention names.
Yes.
But he gets some godfather. Okay, he gets this one election which he just do now.
Yes.
And they pay 500,000 or so for party.
If-
You know, say one of the godfathers just come talk, say, this is the person I want. I go refund all of una money. So in that kind of case, how you go say you want to join together as youth, come together to pick one person, when one godfather?
The thing
Where
is, say,
people respect.
that is what I am saying. If itself see as una be tight amongst ourselves, when na know say na the godfather will come, when say na this person I want, na not supposed to know say that person where you want na to carry all the shower go give the man for where he dey. So all of una, if na all of una say we not agree.
No, we no agree.
You should people. Okay, people like you and I, all of us where they do this, we don't die.
No.
When we say we not agree, we don't die.
No.
Make all of them come. And let me tell you something. It just takes one or two of them to stand up and say, sir, we not agree. Oh. Because these people, they fear. I'm telling you, some of them are my friends. Then they fear. Now psychology, then they use from now. Then they fear because they know say when the thing really start, the security person where they depend on, who himself be poor man. Do not forget say this Godfather go there for Ikoyi, him go be big man. The security way go they do that one a poor man. You know say when everything comes, it's not sure whether the man is going to be loyal. So now psychology then they use. Stand at least learn to stand up to say no. This is the person that we want. If you say I'm the first time, he said this thing. Before you go come back the second time, you go think twice. Say this people fit go say no.
Okay, based on this
But
one.
let us start somewhere.
Yeah, before we go pick more calls, I just want to ask you, but you're not going to answer them now till we pick our call. I just want to ask now, say, now we don't see, say, France, they get young presidents now, 39 years old.
Yes.
You feel, say, based on fact, say, okay, the economy, the country never too sweet as you wish them to be, or as it did before. You feel, say, you know, not be high time we give the young generation the opportunity to be the next president and leave the old people from being, as in as made them not dey inside the top official position.
You talk like say what happened for France. Is a thing that has never happened before. Did you not hear what I told you? When Gawan was head of state of this country, how old was he? When Zik was president, how old was he? When Awolowo was premier, how old was he? The likes of Bode Thomas were in their late 20s and early 30s when they made an impact. Not be as and come now the same people will be used in those days, now no green come out. At 80 something, massive the day for active politics. See Lagos now, they say we bring ambassador. We get one of the ambassadors is almost 80. Now we supposed to say, the youth are supposed to say we not agree.
So enough, don't
form a formidable group and go out there and fight for it.
So you feel say better
because if you not fight for it, you one day when you be you know sometimes we can joke this too. Every time when they talk say we use of this country, sometimes I catch myself join. Like I can't remember that
tomorrow.
You know me you one day you could just wake up say you not be used and all the slots we did before they don't give up to them picking. Then no that the way okay. And now the people where they Lagos. The Oranguatas where they run Lagos. Look where all the picking they. You go day market, you go day this one, son-in-law go do this one for that, commissioner it is not be so that they do it. And some of the party people for up, they can't do honorable for Lagos here. Some of the honorable when I get for Lagos here, some of them no fit enter motor from airport, put key inside motor by itself, drive go in constituency. You not go no road. Then they put them picking. You still they wait every day, they do flag, they carry tea, they struggle for t-shirt and cap. My brother, I can tell you. That's why I say that unless God come down, in my generation, I know this in Nigeria, we today, because the thing will be say, we today, we want everything without doing nothing.
I'm going to take this call.
Okay.
Nigeria FM, good afternoon. Yeah, so what will be your name? Where did you call from?
My name is Solomon.
Solomon, put ginger for your voice. What will be your contribution?
Like I say, God bless about when they talk. But the truth is, later, we can't accept that I think just say. Because if first I say that one, so those are the children, one. Then two, when they come out and live at this old age, one, they use their picking and slaughter to stay. But if people like us, if people like him, we call themselves youth, we go to the youth for the end and we go teach me the youth to come forward. Go back to work with them now.
Okay.
We say some of us, they will work with people, we go lead us forward. Not to say they try to shoot with us.
Okay. So you need elders we go ginger all the youths to come out.
Not people ginger. Not say one time, sometimes our money is from my hands now for this thing what they do. When they collect on tickets for like 500,000.
But now what thing they talk, the youth figure and say, look, one I go say 500,000, the country difficult, we know if we pay 500,000. Now in the talk, so if the youth, for instance, if youth for your area when I gather join one party can say ticket na 500,000, all of them can say no, we know if we pay 500,000, it's too much. Now 50,000 we pay, now 30, now part of the change. Start to the change that from inside the party thing. Now what thing they talk?
Make answer the man.
Okay, fine. Oh yeah, just listen and make a response.
Okay, you have taken the project from a defeatist attitude. You be like person when need to go Ibadan. He come sit down for a house, say how I go do am. You don't know say if he get to motor park, if he help carry load, carry this thing, he go gather money, enter bus, go. Don't sit on the fence and be lamenting and phoning in on radio programs. Say how can we start? We need somebody to lead us. How can somebody lead you? Lead yourself. What you are saying is go there, talk first. By the time you talk 1, 2, 3, 4 times, don't just sit back and say, we need somebody to lead us. The Nigerians are always looking for somebody to lead them. That's why Oyibo let us see where we reach.
Nigeria FM, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what be your name? Where they call from?
Yes, my name is Adi Marquez. I'm calling from the
All right.
nobody wants to talk. By the way,
What?
I no longer we used to know.
My brother,
We used to know on the street of Lagos. What do? Other time before, in 1993, people like us, when we were at Agnes, no member will back. Nothing will ever pass about that, but the youth of this country. We don't follow everybody. Nobody wants to suffer. I was in Liberia telling them that this skyscrapers that they were building is going to become the home for the rebels, and it becomes the home for the rebels. Which people in Nigeria have a voice and have a youth that will follow in this country. And the money has spoiled everything. Okay, you go give us the voice. My name is Adi Marquez. Let's talk from here. I'm not going to continue. Thank you very much.
I don't give a voice. I dey do program on Sunday. I dey do program for Lagos Talk. I dey do program for Classic. What I go do again? I dey allow na phone in. Every day I dey talk. I dey put my life on the line. I cannot do more than what I'm doing, but to keep sensitizing you. But people don't want to be us. I want to be sensitized. What do you want make I do? Make I go buy some machine gun. They shoot for road.
The truth.
Allow them to know the truth.
And the vex this afternoon because nobody can pretend not to know the truth and what to do. It's just that everybody, this way fella who they talk, I don't want that, I don't want the papa dey for house, mama dey for house. You cannot make an omelette without breaking an egg. You want chop omelette, but you don't want break the egg. How you go do it? And you don't want chop boiled egg.
The way me and say I'm the truth, we say we don't need to gather and say start small. Start from join one small political party. The one do councillorship and I go there. If they tell you say form na 500k.
Make una yari.
Okay, we not fit pay 500.
How we go pay 500?
Country dey hard.
It's discriminatory.
Make am 20,000, make am 30,000. They will
even free. Why you go pay for?
Free. Which person for this area fit do the work? Okay.
When the money they go to save, when they pay
yes,
the money.
Start from there. Then start from looking within yourself. Our area bad. Okay, who go fit do am?
Who go fit do am?
Now you want go? More support.
Yes.
Tell the party you want to start from there.
For Surulere now, they don't form group. Some
Okay.
people don't form group for Surulere. Say, then go. This councillor for this area. Now this person we want. If anybody like, make it done for across the river. They talk in own. Make if they like, make everybody they go in house. They go wait from 9 p.m. till 2 a.m. saying they live for a person. And it happened. Not before this time when we say some Igbo people don't become honorable. You say that they just call them. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing and they know their power. But you cannot eat your cake and have it. You don't fit they sit down. They look African magic. Baby sit down. They go build up credit for Mama Rasaki Biapalo. Until say somebody when you do all that one carry all the baby waiting for town. Now only somebody go come do it for you. You need a voice. Voice day. Make una talk.
And you know, say some people they not even for their constituency. You go see say their streets bad, potholes, and they don't even they do anything to talk about anything about them. And I also just know, like for example, Dolphin, as you mentioned, Surulere, Dolphin, something they share away and not to like they won't do election, and I can't see so many sons of Dolphin. They compete with each other. So now, friends of this person go vote for this person. Friends of that person go vote for that person. Before you know anything, na kinkly vote. Instead of me, they pick one person.
Then they
make
divide
all
them.
of them.
They
divide themselves. Okay, so I want to ask another question. Share you feel, say, as in, you still believe in this country, say this country go better?
I know say go better for my. I know they lie.
For your generation.
If I know,
like you get 50 more years.
if I can, which can 50 more years. I don't like that kind of prayer. That kind of prayer no good.
How many more years did they say? Because it's for your lifetime.
No,
so
because
how many years now you think say this country
no, this country because we still have the wrong attitude. And Rome, they say, was not built in a day. Pikin where go this is now from when they born and the youth where they look for this country now, they're never ready. I go talk through. If they like me, they don't like me. I don't mind. I go talk through the use where the attitude that I see in the use of this country today. They won't do recruitment. A whole stadium full of applicants. And you know, say now all these the big people now go this thing. You should follow through. The day when they talk say the big people go, the beginning of the big people go resume, they make una go there. Not fight just go there, sit down for road. Carry pots. This thing. Water when I go drink pure water, sit down for road, say no, we must redo this thing. If you know yari for these people, go look for civil what did happen for civil service now. Now big man I'm picking 9 day there. If you know no making I know now. That big man picking 9 full they full for that's so that they plot them picking inside. That's so 9 full there. If the use of this country they will be slaves forever if they do not quickly wake up. I'm not talking say make una carry gun go do something. No. But there is what you call resistance. If they say that the use of this country in South Africa when Igbo still there, apartheid for still there. You know the way in South Africa suffer before apartheid come out. You don't see where everybody willingly hand over power. You where you dey talk now about your if another woman won't enter your husband's house, you go green. If you look in face as he talk the lie self, you go not say he don't go green at all.
Make I ask this one before you tell us.
We still get more calls.
In fact, you don't tell us almost finished. So what you will do now is say before you give advice to, I know say people they like this kind of work where they do. They want to be journalists, they want to be broadcasters and all that. The advice you will give to speak where you say, if you want to enter this job, see how, what you could do, see your mindset and everything. Before that advice, I want to ask her, I beg, talk about this issue of killing, headsmen and all that. To me, can't they be like, say, now black and white. This government come in the last 2 years, we see all the energy where they put, they bring down Boko Haram to a point where we say Boko Haram now, Nigeria feel confidently say they don't almost finish. But it can't be like say the power that they put Boko Haram, this headsmen, everybody they close eye to waiting they happen. Today 20 die, tomorrow 5 die, next tomorrow 100 die. And it can't be like say nobody won't do anything about that. What do you think about the issue of this headsmen and why Nigerian government, state and federal never fit do anything about it?
Even as say you got when you did school, you they go look WAEC. Why I say they go look WAEC, say you did no question before exam start. This is not the very thing we are talking this morning, off air and on air. But talking seriously now, I don't know what happen when this government no just won't acknowledge. Say these people then be troublesome persons. Me, I don't believe say any headsmen they anywhere. Person where they carry cow, they carry 50, 60 cows. You know, if it abandon in cows, they go kill people.
Exactly.
So what you have is a militia. Another militia. I don't know whether they be part of Boko Haram. I don't know whether another militia. But what you get na militia. What their purpose is, I don't know. Whether you want to acknowledge them or not, if you don't acknowledge them and do something about them first, there will be more this thing that even the Boko Haram way with the talk. The reason being, where we say, these people don't even there for one area. I don't say they hope. Nobody say I don't say. I they hope say the security people they look everything where they happen. Maybe then they work on that G to make sure say they settle up. I hope that is what is happening. But to the ordinary man, he's beginning to feel helpless. And when a man feels helpless, self-help comes into play. When you have all these militia, for example, they for east, they come out even for their own side where they know them one-on-one. They don't they go middle belt, they don't they go east, they don't they go Yoruba land. In a prescription for Yawao. Make government, make them quickly do something about this thing before people decide
to say, okay,
by themselves.
If government don't want to defend us,
if government don't want to defend us, we'll defend ourselves, because that kind of thing will scatter this country. It go worse than Boko Haram because the battlefield don't go there for one place.
Why people they resign for this country? I was my like the way I look the matter, say okay, now we get president, we get vice president, we get different people. Now you get minister of interior. Now you they in charge of civil defense, police, everybody there under you, IG. Now you go find out say maybe yesterday for Benue State now they attack 50 people die. You don't go hear any statement from the Minister of Interior. You don't go hear anything from presidency. You don't go hear anything about police. Nobody go talk. Meanwhile, all these forces were supposed to protect the life or property of the citizens inside. You get people who that their job to do one. Nobody they ask them question. Nobody they punish anybody. Nobody they sack anybody. Nobody they resign. Everybody fold hand. Why be say people know these old people accountable when they give job to, for instance, like president, come Minister of Interior. Why be say these people nobody they check them for the country?
What about day-to-day governance? Okay, day-to-day governance. They fall my hand. You know the cabinet. You don't have a coordinated government. In my own eye, I mean, as me I say more. You don't see government where they enclose. Where we say everybody they carry out is a bit. I don't want to talk big grammar for here because they say this is Nigeria. But make I talk for grammar. Go look for dictionary. You have what to look. What did they be like? There is functional government, and that is apparent. In some of even the ministers where they see, but that's not there for me to expand on that. But that's why when you ask me, say, I think say this, it go better. I know say government is not just about rhetoric, make you just they talk. What thing they happen, what thing you they see when they happen. How the people they feel government. I don't know how many people they feel this government. Me, I not feel them.
Okay, the police tell us he must drop, and he say he no get anything to drop. He don't drop for the Agberos, and the point gone and for him. They on top YouTube. If you go watch him, you understand. Now, every time you go see say this police kill, that one kill, but we know they see any bullet. We know say that time you go see their face for crime fighter when thief steal. So how come they know they put these police people to stop them?
Make I just tell you, Moyo. You see say the police people where we get no be part of Nigerians. In the first instance, how did they take join police? No be to pay money. Under G they go for recruitment. From there, the job don't spoil. You are recruiting people when no get disposition for police work. When we say now because work no they then go there. You are recruiting people who say that to Roger and they go do for the police work. The whole thing don't dabaru himself down the line. The training. Well, because there is nothing where you go do where money no dey inside. If they allocate so and so this thing for training, then they spend all the money for training. You know they here when you see the thing where they happen for police college until during Jonathan time until they come correct time.
The whole place all rust.
That na police college will go produce officer. That one where you see not be the one where go produce corporal and recruit. So now everything don't spoil for Nigeria. Don't be matter of maybe the toxic police spoil, media spoil. What do you they do for police self? Now you they pay for, now you they buy their uniform. Now government they buy uniform for police. The shoe where you don't see as police they look. If you see the time where this country day in the 60s and the 70s, if you see police or army officer where we go wear uniform, if you see the army officer shoe, them brown shoe where they wear, oh, Moyo. You see everything done that bad. You the police fire service. Can you fit call fire service now? Say fire don't. They make the call water. Which motor they go carry come? You cannot. You see, you cannot eat your cake, have it, and keep it in the fridge. If we don't be the same police, go see say somebody for another agency go keep $20-something million for inside one flat. You see say the police where they you see say Chris. Police go they tell you say that one day up, me and they down. Everything done dabaru, pata.
All right, God.
My belief is that they kidnap plenty girls, kidnap plenty men, boys. The men, of course, somebody they kill them, they not join. The boys, they not kill them. My belief say, but I know say even in all this kidnapping, I still believe say some foul play dey for some other powers who take advantage of play some foul play also. But in general, whether they not kidnap people, of course, Boko Haram kidnap people.
But you agree say that kidnap the Chibok girls?
I believe say they kidnap
the Chibok girls.
Chibok girls, yes.
And others.
But I don't believe say
and others.
And others, yes. So I believe say the others when people they silent for now one they pay me because
yes,
like say the focus come only the
Chibok. But we know when we dey discuss, you say that magnitude of people.
And then
cool.
Another question what they had
for
to
the
say.
north, those that they read book like that way that amount of girls could do inside the school.
See, Goddy, make we no get headache and make we no wear boxing gloves fight. Some Chibok girls were kidnapped. Or it's better to say captured because it's now war.
Captured, yes.
They're prisoners of war. They were impossible say, as you say, that same day they kidnapped some other girls in the town. Join. But I believe that they kidnap. But I also believe say if it be say now 5 times that number of other people will not be Chibok, now they don't carry. But that is the issue of branding. When the Chibok girls were able to find a voice, somebody to start to raise that Chibok girls, bring our girls. So those ones enter branding matter, and they were the lucky ones. But I believe, say, as we talk so, if it be saying another 2,000 people still they captivity or where they don't kill self, it did. But I believe they are. How you aspire, make you be sure for your mind, saying that the job where you fit do, where God call you to do. No look at, some of them go down to look at the glory side, say, then they call your name every day, everywhere you go. I want to be popular. It not be like that. God, you tell them.
No, you don't tell them. You don't say because get on phone with the talk when they like last weekend I go airport as they drive enter the airport. They say I can't ask the guy, say, how much for this place when they pay? He say 600. I said, he say, excuse me, your voice sound familiar. Now you be call people Nigeria. I say, yes, no pay.
Those small freebies.
Other guys, small benefits.
Me when I reach airport now, everybody go to talk say, come sit down, take drink, take tea, take this, take that.
You know?
But all this one now also because you have been true to the calling.
Yes.
You get appreciation when people appreciate the fact that say this one they true to the calling.
Yes.
Because you know say for this I work, you get some people where they know them as Roger Super. Then they take Roger like
Balabu
anything.
Kings. Then they collect envelope left, right, center. Everywhere.
So if upcoming people we don't really know the rudiment or how to take be a journalist, if you just explain to them what thing they're going to do, school they're going to attend,
Okay.
and then
Look at that quickly.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
if you say this thing dey your body, then you go first ask yourself, say, this one where I want to, I want be English or I want go. First of all, say, make you make up your mind which one you want go. Then from university, from when you want enter university, you go know say you go do. In fact, you fit do any degree. Now after you do the degree, you fit now go do 1 year, like a diploma course to know the rudiments of journalism, because this is not from my own time. Me, I just do degree. From degree, I don't enter it. If I don't they do the work before I reach go university. I get some of my mates will be say they do the work from that time when we finish HSC. They no kuku go university again. Today they are the biggest names in journalism. But now hard work. You go read. You go acquire knowledge. Don't be saying you go drink tombo every day. Can't say you want to be journalist. The issue go there your front, you know go fit. No, as you go do them. It gets your own discipline. Okay? But when you get your degree, and you must improve yourself, improve your knowledge. When you buy what that they call them, you buy tablet or you buy iPad or everything. No go they take and they look upon or they look all this nonsense. Build yourself up. Luckily, you guys in this era, you are even at a more advantageous position than we were. We used to sit in libraries. Now, in the comfort of your home, when you take inside bus, information there. When you pay for your cable television, at least when you watch African Magic Small, take the rest, they go between CNN, Al Jazeera, and see as they do one. It is not rocket science. This is what we do, not be rocket science. But you must get the flair for doing this job. That is the part where they always tell people, say, I want to be an OAP, I want to say, it not be like that.
One of the advice they give me, I remember in those days, okay, 2 people give me the advice in those days, Freeze and who else? I think that you're in those days, they tell me, say, Godwin, this work, not do one because of the money.
No, because
do one because of the love. Yeah. The later the money go come.
Later
you go take comfortable.
I remember say I work.
I get money.
2006, Mr. Jimmy, I worked 2006 to 2009 without collecting any salary.
What are you saying? This discourse where I do next door here. This discourse. Now inside this studio now he start. I do them for because that discourse now my program. I do them for about 2 years plus. I not get shishi.
See.
You know, I not get sponsor. I not get anything until when NTN come smile at me say, okay, this one. But they sponsor your programs. So that's so.
All right. So what will be your final advice to Nigerians?
Shine your eye. Shine your eye. Yes, we go laugh, but the truth is because there are too many things to deceive Nigerians. Don't be deceived by all these. These politicians make you look them well, make you enter their body.
Election day, they go give you bribe.
Election day, they give you money, take them, but do the thing within your hand. In your neighborhood, Chebi, okay, every day will be environmental before. Chebi people, they do meeting. Continue the meeting. In your landlord's listen, when you finish talking about the gutter, this, gutter, that, make you come talk, say, when they say matters are rising, then you go talk, say, who is going to represent us in this area now at local government? When this from now on, make you know they let any local government chairman rest. Any sponsor, make you don't go in office, go call land councillor. In our days, when for Yaba, in those days where I grew up, any sponsor like this, 4 houses away from us, that councillor did there, my papa not let her rest. So they sort of when you see Baba, I say, go tell them, when you see lawyer, they come, make you tell her to say asleep. My Baba goes, okay, I go come back. He could leave me there. So when he wakes up, come and tell me. You have to follow these people. Now so now with determination, no. Not just sit back like one man will call, say we need somebody, you don't need anybody to lead you. Lead thyself. Leave that,
And to come be our guest today on Ask the Professional. Of course, you know, saying at the midday show workshop with Moyolistic and Godwin Arewayo and Mr. Jimmy this way won't leave us now. We did sorry, so we don't fit take any more calls. In short, comments of the Yapa for Facebook and Twitter, but we don't fit take any more because we don't overchopulate into in time. But you know, say that's what we do for Nigeria 102.7. We'll give you all the best for entertainment information every week we did here. We say God bless you, Mr. Jimmy.
All right, so Simona, just